First one we're going to start with is Nano. Nano is a cool project that I recently became familiar with. It was founded by Colin Lemahu, which sounds like my last name if I was French or something like that. Lemaharu. Anyways, he's a software developer was a software developer and engineer with experience working at AMD, Dell, and Qualcomm. He founded Nano. Now, what is Nano? Nano is a very, very simple project, especially the ones compared to this list, and especially compared to a lot of other projects. It has one major goal: to bring a better currency to the world economy by creating an ultra-fast, feeless, and eco-friendly cryptocurrency. So it's kind of like the cash equivalent of Bitcoin, where Bitcoin is like a store of value. This would be the cash that is actually used. That's their goal anyway. And as you can see, if they hit their goal, this crypto would be worth a ton of money. So their goal, I don't know why I chose that picture. Their goal is to replace fiat dollars in all currencies, not just US dollars. So what's the potential here? They have very, very fast transaction times, very impressive transaction times, less than 1 second, so almost immediate. They are feeless, which is also an interesting concept. It's really appealing, especially for small transactions like microtransactions in games, and it's kind of limitless to the possibilities of small transactions being feeless or very low fees, because that's just simply not something that we have right now. With credit card fees, there's minimums, 25 cents, $1 for credit card fees. The world would change if there was feeless transactions. Now, I do have some concerns with feeless transactions because other networks have fees built into them for a reason, for security purposes, like for Ethereum, for example. They have extremely high gas fees right now, but the reason for gas fees in general is so you can't just have a bot spamming the network being able to process millions of transactions, because the economies don't work in that you have to pay for each transaction fee. So it's a little concerning me that there's no fees, but it's also an interesting concept. And if they can figure that out, if they can figure out the security end, that could be quite exciting. The network is built in a way that's very scalable, which of course it would need to be if they're trying to replace all currency. And it's very efficient in how it stores its data. When it hit 4 million transactions, it only took up 1.5 gigs of data, which is pretty impressive on the scalability and the efficiency ends. Thanks for tuning in. And if you enjoyed this content, make sure you subscribe to the main channel as well right here.